Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to give your kitchen a bit of a clean over. So on a Thursday, normally 14S would be doing some target skills, and some of our skills are to complete independent living tasks. So I'm just going to show you how to wipe your surfaces down and your cupboards down. So Maddie, what must we do before we always start our cleaning?
You should wash your hands because you don't want to get more germs on what you're cleaning.
Yes, always wash your hands before you start your cleaning. So guys, here's some of the resources we're going to be using. We're going to be using an anti-bac spray and a cloth. And then we're going to use some of the window and glass cleaner because my hob is glass and then this is metal and it gets really stained. Can you see all the smears because I haven't wiped it down properly, but today I'm going to give it a really good wipe down. So I'm going to be using these products here. First off, I'm going to get my spray and I'm going to give my kitchen surface a good spray over. You see, look, there's a little bit of food left over there from this morning, bits of crumbs, and I'm just going to give it a really good wipe over to make sure there's no germs and it's all safe to be using for when I'm cooking later on. So spray the surfaces, yeah, spray them down. Make sure you get it everywhere and on the wooden chopping block. That's it, stop. Now wipe over, wipe it all your spray up. That's it, really get, that's it. That's it, make sure you get all the bits.
Should I do the bowl?
Right, just look here, look. Look, you see here there's some crumbs from the toaster. Can you get those? You don't leave any bits. You can put it on the floor if you want. Oh dear. We'll make sure you get all of those. You can put it on the floor because then we can hoover later. If we need to wipe all to the floor, we'll hoover the floor after. That's it. Get it all out. That's a lot better. And now we've got our cloth, I think we should spray our cloth a little bit. And maybe give our toaster a nice wipe over. Now the toaster is off, so that's a bit safer to do. Okay, so make sure you're cleaning the handles so that all the germs are getting off our equipment that we'll use and we'll be touching every day. Just going to clean this that bit of wall here. You see, there's a little bit of dirt here. And we don't want that at the moment, so I'm going to spray my sides.
So it gets off.
Yeah, so we get it off because we don't want germs.
Oh, there's a bit there.
So we're going to give it a nice clean over.
Bit there.
Okay. And clean our chopping board, a bit of a scrub down. So that area there is looking really, really good. Nice and clean.
Yeah, but we need to do that area.
We need to do this end. We need to give it a bit of a tidy up as well. It's a bit messy, isn't it? So we're going to give this area a clean now. So we need to make sure we move everything out of the way. So move the girls' water bottles, put it over there. Move that out the way. That. Okay. So we're going to get our spray. Spray it all down again. Give it a good wiping. Wipe all your surfaces. The back of the wall again. Get the switches. Switch my oven off. Okay. Make sure everything's nice and clean. Right, so now I need to move this out again.
scrub
Yeah, give us that way.
and get all this nasty germ off.
Move it all out the way. Right into the corners.
Because if you touch somebody else's germ, she'll get really poorly.
Well, that's why we're all staying in and keeping nice and safe.
And we're only allowed to stay in our house. But if it's a rainy day, we had to
Give the
stay in
kettle.
our house. But if it's a sunny day, we're only allowed in our garden.
Yeah, only allowed in our gardens when it's a sunny day. And if it's rainy, we stay in and do fun, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so give the kettle a good clean because okay, handles because everyone touches that, so that's a bit of a risk. So we make sure it's nice and clean.
And if the coronavirus is coming around your school,
I'm going to give this a little clean now, so I'm just going to go over it with my anti-bac spray first. So it's all
nice and clean.
Okay, so I'm going to make sure it's nice and clean, get all the germs off the cooker. Because this is something we're going to be touching every single day, more than once a day, with an adult's help if you're going to be doing some cooking. Okay, so we need to make sure that these things are really, really clean at the moment. Okay, so here's my splash panel. It's really smeary. So I'm going to give that a bit of a clean with my anti-bac. Just give the top a good cleaning.
What about that bit? Mum, what about that bit?
I'll do that. Okay, so now it's really smeary, so we want to make it nice and clean. So we're going to use the window and glass with that spray. So now I've got a clean duster.
Don't do that.
Come on, then. You get all of it, look. Some here, look. There we go. Get all the smears out. Give it a really good scrub. There we go. Do the back. Give that a scrub. Okay guys, so that is looking so much better now. I know all my sides are nice and clean. But now I just need to think about cleaning my cupboards and making sure that these handles everyone touches every day are nice and clean. Okay? So I'm going to get my spray again, my anti-bac spray. I'm going to give my cupboards a bit of a squirt. I'm going to get my cloth again. Just make sure that these handles are nice and freshened up. Give your cupboards a bit of a wipe.
To make it all nice and fresh and clean.
Yeah, making it all clean. Getting rid of all germs to help protect us as many as we can. Okay, I'm going to do this one now. Spraying with my spray. Getting my cloth again. Just giving it a big scrub, making sure I get all the handles. Okay. The handles over here. Okay, come over to my cooker and take these tea towels off. And make sure I get my handles and the knobs on the cooker. Everything that we touch, make sure it's getting a good clean. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give my washing machine a bit of a squirt over. So I'm going to clean my washing machine over a little bit. Make sure we get all the handles that we're going to be touching. Wipe over. Good. Make sure you get the handle and all the buttons.
Did I say something more going to be dangerous?
Okay, so now I'm just going to go around and give all the rest of these handles a scrub. Okay, and then I will be done. Okay guys, so we have done a really good job of cleaning our surfaces and our handles, and I've cleaned the fridge handle. So now we need to make sure our cloth is put in the washing machine to be washed. So I'm going to put it in the washer. It's going to go in with everything that needs to be washed. Okay, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.